Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rosita and I am student University of Alauddin Stage Islamic University. And for today, I want to tell you about diversity of flora and fauna in Indonesia. Indonesia is located in a tropical area with experienced year-round radiation, resulting in Indonesia having an extraordinary abundance of natural worlds. Of course, we need to be grateful for the diversity of Indonesian flora and fauna by maintaining and preserving it. If not, the flora and fauna will be threatened with extinction. The Indonesian people will currently experience many loss because this flora and fauna have their respective function and roles in the nature. In addition, the benefits for humans will also be lost if the flora and fauna become extinct. Distribution of flora. Indonesia has a wide variety of plant species. Climate has a huge influence, especially rainfall and air temperature. The types of flora in Indonesia include: first, tropical rainforest. This forest is a dense jungle. Heterogeneous forest is another name for tropical rainforest. Heterogeneous forest is a forest that has a type of plant in it. This type of forest is found on the islands of Sumatra, Kalimantan, and Papua. The characteristics are: the tree is big, tall, and thick, wide leaves, and green throughout the year. The situation in the forest is dark, and lots of creeping plants such as rattan and orchids. The second is season forest. This type is often called a homogeneous forest because the plant consists of one type of plant. This saturated forest is widely available in Central Java, East Java, and West Nusa Tenggara. The characteristics of this forest are: the trees are not too tall and the distance is not too thick. Generally consists of one tree, for example, teak. The forest is green in the rainy season and withers in the dry. And the bottom of the forest, bushes can still grow. The third is steppes. Steppes are overgrown with grass without trees. There are many types of grassland in area with little rainfall and long periods of dry season. In Indonesia, there are many steppes in Sumbawa, Flores, and Timur. The next is savanna. Savanna characterized by broad grasslands punctuated by trees or bushes around it. This area has a long dry season and has a hot temperature. In Indonesia, there are savanna in Nusa Tenggara, Madura, and in the Gayo Highlands or Aceh. And the next, mangrove forest grows in the muddy coastal areas. These trees have roots that can handle the waves of the sea. This forest grows a lot in the lowlands and beach where there is a lot of mud. And the last is moss fields, occur due to the influence of cold weather. Cold areas are usually found on mountain peaks. In Indonesia, moss fields can be found in Puncak Jaya Wijaya. Based on geological factors, the type of flora in Indonesia can be distinguished as follows. First, flora in the Sunda exposure. Flora in Sumatra consists of 1. Endemic flora such as the Rafflesia arnoldi flowers. 2. Flora on the east coast consists of mangrove and peat swamps. 3. Flora on the west coast consists of Meranti, yellow, peat swamp forest, and rattan. Flora in Kalimantan. There are similarities of flora in Sumatra, namely tropical rainforest, peat forest, and mangrove forest. And the second is flora in Sahul exposure. Flora in this area consists of tropical forest, sagu forest, niva forest, and mangrove forest. And the third is flora in the transitional area is located in Sulawesi and the surrounding area, consisting of tropical rainforest, mangrove, and palm trees. Distribution of fauna. The animal world in Indonesia is divided into 3 places, namely Asiatic, Australis, and Transitional. The Asiatic lines with the transition were bound by the Wallace line, while those between the transition and Australis were separated by a Weber line. First, West Indonesian type fauna or Asiatis. Fauna in the western region resembles mainland Asia. The distribution of fauna includes Sumatra, Java, Bali, Kalimantan to the Makassar Strait and Lombok Strait. Most Asiatic animals have a large size and consist of mammals. Types of animals such as tiger in Java, Madura, and Bali, birds in Sumatra and Kalimantan, elephants in Sumatra, rhinos in Sumatra, bulls in Java and Kalimantan, and types of monkey in Kalimantan and Sumatra. The second is East Indonesian type fauna or Australis. The eastern fauna includes Papua, Aru Islands, and several surrounding islands. The characteristic of the Australian fauna are small mammals. There are many birds with beautiful feathers and animals with pockets. Examples include kangaroo actris, poached civets, casuaries, birds of paradise, red-creased cockatoos. And the last is middle type fauna or transitional. The fauna in the transitional area has its own characteristics that are different from the fauna in Asiatic and Australian area. Transitional fauna species are found in Sulawesi, Maluku, and Nusa Tenggara. Examples of transitional fauna is lizard and Komodo dragons, anoa, deer pigs, and maleo birds. I think that's all. I hope you can enjoy this video and thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.